Hello everyone! Today I'd like to share something very special with you. I've just published a new bilingual book called Exploring False Friends, Explorando Falsos Amigos. If you're learning Spanish, probably you notice something quite interesting but confusing at the same time. There are many words that look almost identical in Spanish and English, but the meanings are totally different. This is what we call false friends, and they can lead to very typical mistakes and common mistakes, but at the same time they can lead to very funny situations. In this book, my two main characters, Brainito and Cerebrina, will guide you through 30 of the most common false friends. Each section begins with a short dialogue where the confusion is shown from English to Spanish, from Spanish to English, and then we have also clear explanations, illustrations to help you remember, and practical tips to avoid mistakes.
There are also activities and practical tips on how to use this book.
The goal is very simple, that you gain confidence and avoid mistakes. This is the first book in a series, where we will continue exploring bilingual learning with Brainito and Cerebrina. The book is now available on Amazon, in Kindle and paperback. You have the link in the description. Thank you so much for your support, and if you're looking for more bilingual resources, you can find over 1,000 free bilingual resources in Bilingual Cerebros. Hasta pronto! See you soon!
Learning Spanish, learning English too. Fun for families and teachers too. Games and stories, facts to explore. Bilingual Cerebros opens the door. Bilingual Cerebros, aprende aquí. It's fun and free, come learn with me. Bilingual Cerebros es para ti. Learning together, it's where to be.